Today we will learn about the parts of the plants. What are plants? Plants. Plants are living organisms that belong to the kingdom Plantae. Their capacity for photosynthesis, which allows them to create their own food by converting sunlight into energy, is what makes them unique. Because they produce oxygen, maintain the equilibrium of the Earth's atmosphere, and from the base of food chains, plants are vital parts of ecosystems. Root system takes in water and nutrients from the earth and anchors the plant. 1. Primary root. 2. Secondary root. Stem supports the plant and can transport water, nutrients, and food. Leaf, site of photosynthesis, where plants make food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Bud, undeveloped growth on a plant where new leaves, flowers, or stem emerge. Flower, reproductive structure that produces seeds for new plants. Petal, colorful part of the flower that attracts pollinators. Fruits are formed from the ovary of a flower after successful pollination and fertilization. They protect seeds and aid in their dispersal, allowing new plants to grow in different locations. Fruits can be fleshy, e.g., apples, berries, or dry, e.g., nuts, capsules, depending on the plant species. Seed contains the embryo of a new plant and is capable of growing into a new plant. Node, point on a stem where leaves, buds, or branches emerge. Thanks for watching. Likes, comment and subscribe.